Hello friends, welcome to Fource tutorials. This is Ganesh, your friend. Today we'll be looking into developing console application in C# using Visual Studio 2019. To start off, we'll click on create a new project. For console application, we'll be developing something with C# and with .NET framework. So we'll be clicking on this and say next. Give a proper name. I say demo console and click on create. Okay, so here you can see few lines of code which are already there in your console application. What you'll need to look into is something here, program.cs. okay, your cs is nothing but your C# extension. What all these things are? Well, the first part, that is this particular line. Well, the first lines of codes are default lines entered by Visual Studio. The using statement is used to import existing .NET modules. These modules are required for any .NET application to run properly. They contain the bare minimum code to make a code work on a Windows machine. Over here, the namespace demo console. If you remember, demo console was the name of the project that was given. Within this, it gives you like all the part where you can actually put your code, the class program, and then the main function. Okay, so to develop, we'll just to start off, we'll go for the standard one of writing a hello world program. So for that I write console dot WriteLine. Now this works same like cout in your C++. Okay, so as simple as that. Just write console.WriteLine hello world. I go for start, that is to run my program. Okay, did you notice what happened? The screen, a small black screen came up and it vanished. Okay, even if I continue to do this, I say start again, a black screen comes up, it vanishes. So what happens is console.WriteLine hello world, the hello world is printed, but the screen does not stay. Okay, so for the screen to stay, we will add one more line over here, that is console.readLine. Now when I press start, I can see hello world and it stays. Okay, so that's your basic first program of printing hello world in your console application. We'll also look into one more thing that forms your first practical, wherein we'll be taking 4 numbers from the user and we'll be displaying the product of it. So I say int num1, num2, num3, num4, and a result, a variable for a result. Then I say console dot WriteLine enter number1, num1 is equal to. Now whenever you're taking anything from the console, it is in the form of string, so you need to convert it into the numeric form. So convert dot to int32 console dot read line and just close, terminate. Okay, so the same thing we'll be doing again and again. So I'll just copy paste it. You ought to be a bit lazy to be a programmer, so I will just paste this part. What I need to change is, say, num2, num3, num4. Similarly, after that I will just say result is equal to num1 into num2 into num4 and a semicolon. Okay, the last part I need to print this thing, so console dot WriteLine, so the product of four numbers is. Now to print your result, again see over here, your result is an integer value, but while printing you need to print a string. So I will say result dot toString and a semicolon. Now again I want my screen to stay, so I say console dot readLine and a semicolon. So start. So enter number 1, say 5, 4, 3 and 2. So the product of four numbers is 120, which is correct. I press enter again and I come out of it. So this is as simple. Please try it. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.